In this video, I'll show you the parts of the sewing machine. So this is an electric domestic sewing machine. There are different types of sewing machines. This is one of them. I'll show you the other sewing machines in my other tutorial. So I have my domestic electric sewing machine with me, and this is a presser foot. This is why you press when sewing. So you have to put this, plug it in electricity, then put it in here. This is what supplies electricity to the machine, and this is the balance wheel. So you just balance it, you just run it with your hands. Then once you do that, the needle goes up and down. So this is a spool. This is why you put your thread right here. You put your thread when sewing and also when winding the bobbin. So this is the thread. Then this is the stitch selector. So the machine has different types of stitches. There are zigzag stitch, straight stitch, button, feature, and many more stitches. And this is a reverse stitch. When sewing, it's always important to reverse. And this is the stitch length. So you can choose the longest stitch, the shortest stitch. It all up depends with your preference or what project you're working on. So this is a stitch selector. You just rotate it, move it around like I am doing, as you can see me do. So guys, this is it for this video. I'll show you more detailed tutorial in my next one. Oh, this is the bobbin. Actually, this is the bobbin case. This is where you put your bobbin thread. I almost forgot about this one, sorry. So this is why you put your bobbin thread.